Hello and welcome back to the channel. Inside this box is the latest from KAiWEETS, and that's their articulating industrial borescope, and this is their KBA01 model. Now KAiWEETS borescope can really help you out if you're a home mechanic or you own a garage or you're a tradesman, because what this can do, it can look at the places that you can't, because this camera can fit inside of an engine, checking out if there's any problems or any damage inside before you fire it up. Or for instance, if you want to check inside a petrol tank that you're about to spray or you're about to do some work on, and you're going, do you know what, is it old, is it rusty inside? Pop this down and you'll get that perfect look as well. But let's not just talk about it, let's unbox it, let's see exactly what you get, and let's put it through a real world test and find out how good this borescope actually is. So let's start with the great unboxing. The packaging feels good premium quality. On opening up the box, you'll find this really nice carry case. The first thing you see is the borescope itself. It has a 4.3 IPS display. It comes with a high performance 8mm snake camera. It has a 1.5 meter length and has a waterproof rating of IP67. All the buttons and jog dial feel nice and easy to use. The overall quality of the borescope feels heavy duty and premium quality. Switching on the KBA01, it fires up really fast. It has a two-way 210 degree rotatable borescope. It also comes with a selection of ends. One's got a hook so you could hook a cable out, it's got a magnet so you could get back a bolt if you dropped it in, and it also has a side mirror, plus there's a lens protection ring. It comes with a USB charging cable, also a set of instructions. They're easy to understand and follow. And that's everything you'll find inside the box. One thing you need to do before you use the camera is make sure you give it a full charge. And once that's done, it's ready for use. So here we go, it's time for the real world test. Now what I like about this straight away already is that by literally turning this little handle here, you can angle the camera up to 210 degrees, and you can seriously get to look at all the things that you want. So let's give the KAiWEETS KA01 a real test. Let's see if this borescope can find an electrical fault on this scooter. Now, BMW C1 scooters, and like many scooters and many things like this, you have to strip off loads of plastics to be able to get in to find the fault. But what if you could use your borescope to check out the wiring and see if there's anything loose or dodgy before you even take the bike apart? I mean, that you could order the part, you could get it delivered, and you know exactly what's wrong and what to fix. So first things first, let's switch on the borescope. And now as you can see, the LED screen is super bright and easy to see. Plus the camera itself that will film at 1080p high definition, and also has LED lights on the front to give us that really clear picture for when we're looking. But you can already see how clear the video is. Now you can take pictures or video with this. You can take a picture, record that, or you can actually film directly onto an SD card on this device. So let's also have a quick look through the menu on here as well, because as you can see, you can change your video quality, your image quality, you can get audio from it. So as you're looking and you're talking through the things you're seeing, you can catch all that audio for when you play it back. You can change the language just in case English isn't your first language. And of course you can put a date tag, change the time and settings to exactly when you did it to record those exact moments. You can switch auto power off in case you forget to switch off the device, screen brightness, memory, format your SD card, reset the system, and vision. Okay, so let's pop the borescope in, and first things first, let's check out the first lot of wiring that we can see. So I'm going to hit record, here we go. So here is the top of a connector just there. Now I can tilt the camera in all sorts of angles, what means that potentially, let's see if I can get this on this, there we go, you can get right to the end of the connector itself, and we can see that that doesn't look too bad, so that wouldn't be causing our electrical fault. So let's go in a little bit deeper and see if we can check out any more of these cables. There we go, it's got some more plugs here as well. These look reasonably secure at the same time. There is also, looks like part of a wiring loom just here. Now that doesn't look the best, there's a sort of a slight twist in the cable in there, but I can't see anything at all. And some more cables there, nothing looks disconnected or loose. That looks like there's a slight gap in the wiring loom there as well. So we've got the top of a cable just there as well. Another connector looks quite good. There's some more wiring as well. Looks like the wiring on this bike has been played with before. Look at the connectors just there as well. It's either where it's been rubbing and it's going through, or potentially that could be our issue just there. What else have we got on the cables? But I don't see any split wires whatsoever at all. So that looks good. And we can tilt this, look, as we can get a real good angle of these wires as well. Aha, look. We've got even more of a split. Just let's tilt this a little bit more. That could do with definitely putting some tape over to protect it in the wiring. It's almost like it's been nibbled at slightly. Now this bike was stood for a very, very long time. Okay, I think I found where there could be a potential problem. See where it's got some tape badly done over here and a connector plug off. That potentially could be a break in there causing the issue, which just saved me quite a bit of time with stripping down the bike, because I already know exactly where I'm pointing. So just under this cover and down here looks like that could be where there's some interesting wiring for me to explore, saving me unplugging, messing around, taking all that time at the back of the engine. It's right up here at the front. And another thing that this is going to come in really handy for, say you've got a little bit of a leak out of your radiator and you go, oh, do you know, whereabouts is it leaking? Is it something I can send off and get fixed or not? And again, before you go through all the hassle of stripping it down, taking it all apart, just to save yourself the time, maybe we could inspect that as well. So through this very small gap here, I'm going to hit record and I'm going to show you exactly what I can see. So look at the detail I can get of the radiator, and because I can adjust the camera up as well, I can actually get quite close in between each one. So if there was a leak or something, say, was bubbling or hissing, I'd be able to get to see that. And I can tilt the camera down as well. Look, all the leaves in there as well. See, that could be an issue, couldn't it? Getting in and clearing out some leaves. But at least I know now what's in there. So if I was looking for a leak or finding something, it's got me a pretty good shot. If I pull the camera slightly out, again, the detail that I'm able to get, just to be able to see if there's any issues, is really, really good. And there is, of course, a very cool party trick. Well, there's many party tricks to this as well, but it does come with a magnetic tip. And the point of the magnetic tip is, as you know, us professional mechanics, us home mechanics, nearly everybody that's ever worked on a bike and engine in their lives will always end up dropping a little bolt down in between the engine, and it'll be the one bolt that you need that you haven't got to fix the part that you want, and you're there going, no, and you're spending ages trying to fish down, trying to find it, shaking the bike. It just doesn't work, does it? And it's frustrating. Well, this Borescope can literally save the day. So I've dropped a bolt down here in this engine, and I'm like, I ain't getting that back. But we'll switch this back on again. I'm gonna hit record and we're gonna pop this down here and see if we can find and get to it. Now it's dropped it somewhere down here. I think that's it just there. See it? See it? And can you get it? Ha! And just like that, there it is. That is just a game changer for me, because I keep dropping them. And now, well, no longer. Now, where this Borescope could come in handy, well, the list just goes on and on and on. The KAiWEETS KBA01 is just awesome. If I was going to restore a bike, if I was a professional mechanic, it's just the tool to have. It's the one that you want in your toolbox. And do you know what? You're probably asking right now, where can you get it from? Well, I'm going to leave you a link down in the description, and also the latest discount code, so you can pick this up at the best possible price. Just pop down there, click on it and get yours today. Now, if you've enjoyed this video and you want to see some more products like this on the Helmet Head channel, please hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. But most of all, leave me a cheeky little comment down below to let me know if you've purchased this and some of the awesome usages that you've got out of it. And I will see you here next time on Helmet Head. But pop down, click on that link and buy this one today. Bye bye for now.
Sparkles when we meet, go down summer trees, 'cause there ain't nobody else than you. Cheers to